As a developer, it's pretty daunting how many different packages you have to install and maintain on your laptop in order to do your everyday tasks. This is where Homebrew comes into play. Homebrew installs the stuff you need that Apple or your Linux system didn't. Homebrew is a package manager which makes it easy to install and upgrade common software packages. Unlike the older days, you don't need to search the internet for the package you need and then download it, extract it and move it to the correct location so you can execute it. To install it, visit brew.sh and copy the terminal command as so. Paste it into your terminal, hit enter, and it will ask you for a password, so I'll just enter mine and the installation should begin. This will take a couple of minutes, so just be a bit patient with it. Once it's successfully installed, you can run the brew help command as I have done here, and that should produce you some help commands for brew itself, and that's how you know it's been installed.